long line. It's for the Navi River journey, which is in the Pandora section, and it looks so cool here. Look at how cool it looks. It definitely looks like Pandora. Looks like Avatar land over here. We have a pretty river, like a waterfall over here. Everything looks so pretty.
So it looks really cool in this line, guys. I don't know how long we've been in line, probably about 15 minutes by now,
yeah.
15 or 20 minutes. So we probably got another like 35, 40 minutes to wait in line, but it looks really, really cool in here. I like the lights. I like the roof over here. You can like see like really big leaves.
The lights look like they were made out of like twigs, see?
Oh yeah, it does kind of look like it's twigs, right? And then that was like a flower, super cool. Well, this looks cool. I'm not sure what's going on here. It kind of looks like it's like a, first of all, it looks like a dream catcher. Maybe it's trying to catch all the wishes and dreams because it looks like there's food offerings here. And then it has like these little figures here, like it looks like a person actually worshiping. So maybe it is like a dream catcher. Into the cave we go. We made it. So I guess this is where they're gonna get on the ride. So like you line up here, I guess, and over there. Yeah, I know, I didn't realize we were that close. I guess once you get into the cave, you're in here. So here's our little boat. Get in there, Chris, get in over there. Ooh, hope we don't fall down. Yeah, we made it. But look back there, Chris. It looks super cool back there. Wow, those look vibrating.
Oh, that is so cool.
Those do look like, look at the spinning things.
Like, oh my god, these look like jellyfish.
They're not jellyfish.
But they look like it.
Oh, look over there.
Oh my gosh, now that is cool. That is super cool.
Yeah, it's going to attack you.
It's not gonna attack. Look at those frisbees. They're spinning and glowing.
Jellyfish and frisbees in the air, right? That's all Crystal cares about. There are really big frogs up there.
I hate frogs.
Now those are jellyfish.
That's a big mama jellyfish.
Oh, you see like the centipedes over there?
Oh, yeah. Oh, the butterflies.
Oh, the butterfly. It's already over. Let's do it again. So I have to admit that ride was awesome.
That was so amazing.
So now we're outside looking at the floating islands here because this is just as awesome. We're not going to get on the flight of passage just yet because it was a 4.5 hour wait.
4.5 hours, guys. Can you wrap your head around how long that
I
is?
cannot. I'm like, what? That is way too long.
I love this ride. This ride was so amazing.
But it felt like it was so short.
It did feel pretty short.
Like the best part to me was probably when we saw the woman playing the drums or like the plants.
The Navi, like
yeah,
the
that was really cool. The colors were awesome in there.
Oh my gosh, so beautiful.
It was a great experience. It's snack time. Look at that pretzel.
Yes,
It looks just like you, Chris. You got the ears and you got the face.
It's so cute.
Oh, and then she has her cheese right down here.
It's a huge
It's a
one. Look
big
how
old
big
thing
it
of
is.
cheese. Like
Ooh, and
it's so
warm
big.
up.
Yeah, it is warm. It's like really warm. Try it, try it.
Yes, I want to try it.
Oh, don't use your fingers, you dirty hands. Oh, you're gonna get sick.
I probably am.
Oh, she's nasty. Let's get some cheese. Oh, how is it?
Not as good as the pretzels we like, but
I mean, it's a Disney pretzel. I mean, you're paying for the shape of it.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like Mickey, so it's worth $5.
it's kind of tough.
Is it? Oh no, it's not worth $5. It's not worth $5.
The big one tree. It is super big.
You see all the carvings on it?
Yeah, it looks so cool.
I see a seahorse.
Really?
I see an eagle.
Oh, I see the seahorse.
I saw something else too. Oh,
yeah,
there's
like
a tiger
so on
head.
the big trunk, there's a whole bunch of carvings. I don't know if
what
the camera
else
can
is
pick
there?
them up.
Can you zoom in on it?
Eagle. I see an eagle.
Can you zoom in a little bit? Oh, there's some carvings on here too.
Yeah.
Is that a scorpion?
Oh, weird.
No. It's some kind of ram. Never mind.
There you go. I zoomed in and then the
Oh,
color
there's a turtle over there
adjusted.
too. There's a turtle over there.
A
Let me see if I can
turtle?
point at it on
I
camera.
see like a yak or,
Right over
or
here,
like a
there's a
bull or
turtle.
something. Oh, I see the turtle.
Where's the yak?
Yeah, it's in the bottom with the horns.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a buffalo. Is it like right here?
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, that bird just came out of nowhere. Yeah, that's really cool.
It is.
So me and Crystal are wondering, what is keeping this ape right here? It's called a siamang, I think, if that's right.
Yeah.
What is keeping it in this cage?
It's
Like,
water.
because there's only water. It's like a moat around it. And is it scared of water or something? because the water doesn't even look that deep. Like if you look, it only looks like it's like a foot or two, like 2 at max, and there's nothing else keeping it in here. Yeah. Oh, where'd it go? It's climbing like a little angel. Yeah, that's a good joke, Chris. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, he's on this side now. So I wonder what is keeping it in here. It's got to be deathly afraid of water. Like honestly, it has to be, because I don't think I'd stay in there. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Look how long its arms are. You can call those monkey bars. This ride looks really fun, but we don't feel like getting wet today.
Yeah, good.
So,
if you have tennis shoes on, it'll get disgusting.
Oh yeah, they get smelly, and Crystal's feet smell enough. No.
Moldy cheese.
Why are you talking about my feet smell like moldy cheese? You're so mean. But yeah, it looks really fun. We've been on one of these before at, I think, at Busch Gardens, was it?
That was so much
Remember
fun.
we got on that with your mom, and she's like, ah. It was really fun. It is a real fun ride, though. They don't even know what's about to come.
Yeah,
Here they come. Crystal has a magic button to squirt out water from the elephant.
Now.
There it goes. Hey! They weren't expecting that, were they? Here are some more innocent victims. Oh no, they don't know. Here it comes. Get wet. Yeah!
Just relaxing on my rock, cause I'm a Komodo dragon. He looks super duper cool.
You know their saliva is like,
Poisonous.
yes. Well, I think it's venomous whenever they have like venom. Like,
Yeah, I know that because you told me.
Yeah, and then like it helps the break down the food that they eat.
Yeah, let me see if I can get a closer
How big do
look
you think
at
that
it.
one is right there?
I think that's
It's at
about.
least tall as me if I was
6
laying down.
feet.
At least, right?
Ooh.
I heard the lady say that they can do quick bursts of 13 miles per hour.
I know that thing will come at you so fast you won't even know what happened.
So I think if you ever get in a race with one of those, you better zig and zag. Because I don't think they can zig and zag that fast. I don't know though. I hope that never happens.
We're about to enter Birdland. Oh, be
Enter.
careful. Whoa.
Yeah, they have those chains so the birds can't get out.
Yeah,
There's a bird over there.
Where?
Look on the ground.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, there's
they're
another over
flying
here.
over there. Oh, wow.
So they could technically come over here and poke our eyeballs out?
Yes.
Oh, there's one over there too.
We're out in the wild with the birds.
Yeah, they have like a net all up there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a net up there.
there's a net up there. And
So they can't escape.
oh, look at this one. It's a little dock. It's a little dock. Whoa. Oh, that one's cute. I like that one. It has like black little speckles.
I don't see any more though.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them.
There's-
Look at that bird out in the wild. That bird. Yes, yes. Build your little nest, Mr. Birdie. Oh, he's so pretty. Such pretty colors.
Crystal's gonna play us a little song here.
Yes, and just like the Navi from Avatar.
Oh man, she's really getting it.
So we're back in Pandora. Look at all these cute little avatars. That's so
Navi
cute.
baby.
Yes.
It feels
And
really
then-
high quality.
Yeah, look at these tails. So cool. But I have to get my boba. We're gonna have to go find it. Oh, that looks really cool. Does it glow?
Yeah, it actually turns on down here.
Oh, that's super cool.
See?
Oh,
So at night, this must
wow.
look really cool at night.
I bet it does.
This one's cooler though.
Yeah, that one doesn't light up, so I think the blue one is cooler.
No, this one is.
How does this one feel?
It's just like a. I hate yourself. It's not gonna hurt.
Yeah, these are so cool. So it has like a little controller button that will
this one.
actually move it. Look at its
this one.
head.
Move its head.
That is awesome. Oh, its
Its mouth
wings.
opens too.
That is
Yeah,
awesome.
they're not cheap though.
Yeah, how much are they?
I think it's someone said they're like $60.
Holy moly, that's
So
a lot.
if we were to get one, we'd settle for one of these.
Yeah, one of the little plush.
Yeah, it's only 22. It's still just as cool. I think this is really cool. Though.
Yeah, that is super cool. You can stick that on your shoulder.
Oh, yeah, you could.
Yeah, that would look
You can actually buy a
awesome.
perch board too.
Oh yeah.
have to
But for
buy
an
that
extra
separately.
50 bucks.
Now we're in line for Flight of Passage. We are under the floating island. You can't really see them because it's really dark, but it looks awesome. The wait is only 180 minutes, so 3 hours later we'll finally be on there. Just in case you didn't believe me, there it is, 180 minutes to wait.
Making some progress. We were literally like way over
I know, where's
there.
the line at now?
I know, now there's not even a line that
I
long.
wonder what the wait time says up there now.
It's
since-
probably because it's lunchtime, Angel. That's probably why it's empty.
I hope it stays empty. Like, I hope the ride goes faster. Can you see the
Me
islands
too.
better?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can. Earlier when we were down there, you couldn't see it because it
Oh
was like
yeah, that is
shadowy.
so pretty.
So you see those plants right there?
Those little purple ones?
No, the,
Oh, those big like spread out
yeah,
little
they
leaves.
look like real plants.
Yeah, they do. Look right here.
Yeah, that one too. Like, I've seen plants that look similar
Me
to that.
too.
Into the cave we go. Ooh, looks really cool in here. Well, it's kind of loud in here actually. I like the decorations in here. They're really nice. We're zigging and we're zagging our way through this. This is a lot of turns, a lot of turns. Now we're getting somewhere. Look at that.
That looks so cool.
So there's a net up there, then there's just like a lot of colors on the wall, but hey, it looks really, really cool.
Ooh, there's danger. It says there's an inspection guidelines there, but I can't really read it all.
It says required inspection process, something, 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 something.
Although, whatever it says, it just looks really cool and scary. We made it to a lab, it looks like. Look at all these little chemicals in the flasks.
Oh, there's a rock spinning.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's where they came to mine that ore.
Yeah.
And that's what the whole Avatar is about, actually.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, they came to mine that because it's really expensive or something and valuable. I don't remember the movie that much, but I know that's really expensive.
Yeah, look over here.
Oh, look at that machine.
Sample. Oh, that is super cool.
It's flashing on camera, but it's not flashing like that. It's like doing like a waterfall.
Yeah,
I think it actually is water.
Cool. Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah, it's actually water. They flash lights on it a certain way to make it look like it's twirling and stuff. That's cool.
This is so awesome. Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
Yeah, this is really awesome actually. That's the Avatar right there.
He's huge.
So he's like the main one from the movie.
Yeah.
It says right there, human, and it says Avatar.
That is so cool. He's just floating in there.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're gonna have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a banshee. Going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Help us out and move around a bit.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle,
Yes,
wiggle, wiggle.
got it.
Time to go in. Probably can't have the camera here because we gotta have like glasses on and everything. Ooh, right there's your seat, Chris. There's 9 and here's 10 for me. Crystal's locked and loaded and ready to go. So that ride was amazing.
It was so much fun.
Super awesome. Like, okay, so when you sat down, it's like you're on like a motorcycle. Okay, first I gotta talk about this because Crystal has this, what's it called? A night blossom, and it has the boba pearls on it. Well, those aren't the popping ones actually, so they're just boba balls.
Yeah.
It actually looks like it's some sushi or something. How is it? What flavor is it? I think it's pear and some other flavor.
It's pop pearls!
They are pop pearls?
Yes, it's pop pearls.
I bet she's super excited about that. Yeah, so she got this. It's a night blossom. It's got like 2 different flavors of like a slushy type thing. And then it has the boba balls on top.
And it's super pretty.
Ooh, it's actually not that bad.
Yeah, it tastes good.
It kind of tastes like an ice cream. Oh, that's actually really good. Anyway, back to the ride. That ride was amazing. All right, so
was so much fun.
So you got on like this like motorcycle thing.
Yes.
And like between your legs when it was flying because you're riding the Banshee, it would like inflate and deflate. So I felt like it was breathing. Yeah, like the Banshee was breathing.
Yeah, it was so much fun. And then
then they had wind in your face?
Yeah,
They had wind in your face?
Sprinkled water.
Yeah, whenever there was water, it was sprinkling. Oh, it was just so awesome.
It really felt like
It felt like you were like
flying.
on like a roller coaster, right?
Yes.
Or I guess flying because we were technically flying on a Banshee.
So much fun.
It was a lot of fun. Like I would get in that line again, but I don't want to wait 2 hours. Oh yeah, we only had to wait 2 hours.
Yeah, it wasn't super
It was only
long
2
like we
hours.
thought.
Oh man, it sounds like someone's up there crying to death. But anyway, the line was only like 120 minutes, so we didn't have to wait an extra 60 minutes. So now we're probably gonna enjoy this. Hopefully find something to eat because I am getting hungry. We found food.
Yeah.
That is the big one.
Oh my gosh, it looks so
It's a turkey leg.
beautiful.
I don't know what that was. Oh my gosh, she's an animal. She's an animal. Oh, then we got some baked macaroni and cheese. I mean, it's quite a small portion, but whatever. This is like our main course right here anyway. Oh, I got 2 forks so you can actually rip it.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do something here because this is gonna be hard.
Yes. I want some, but don't break it though because
I'm scared, it's gonna break.
you're gonna break it.
So I
Like,
think
try
I'm
this
gonna-
right here. Try pulling this part right here off.
Oh, this part?
Yeah. There you go.
Oh,
there
we
you go. Now you're getting
You know,
somewhere.
you're a turkey expert.
Yeah, I should make turkey tacos.
Ooh, turkey tacos.
So taste it. Oh yeah, we actually got a bag of chips with it. I mean, it's the world's smallest bag of chips. Like, look at this. Beside Crystal's head, it looks pretty small actually.
Yeah, and I got tons of mustard.
Yeah,
for
she got a lot of
myself.
mustard. I don't eat mustard. Oh, you hear everybody screaming right there? We're gonna have to get on that next back there actually. How is it? How is it? Is it salty and delicious?
It's so good. What in the world did you just do to my turkey, Angel?
I don't know. What are you talking about?
You made my turkey naked. That is the best part. What are you doing?
I don't like the skin on chicken. I don't like the skin on turkey.
That is the best part. You're gonna have to give it to me.
You can have all the skin. Ooh. So lunch was good, but now we're gonna get on Expedition Everest.
Yes, it looks kind of scary.
It's a roller coaster, yeah. So hopefully it wasn't a bad idea to eat first before we get on this.
And this man looks super,
Oh
super
man,
tall.
yeah, they're actually gonna come out through here in a second, I think.
Oh my gosh.
And it's gonna go all the way down. Oh, I hear them. Here they come. Here they come. Oh no.
Oh wow.
Listen to us screaming. That's gonna be us.
We made it inside now, and look, there's a picture of Angel. He's saying,
No, I think they did a portrait of you, Chris.
no, it's you. You look beautiful.
This should be fun.
Oh my gosh, I'm already terrified.
Already?
Yes.
No, it's just starting, Chris. You can't get scared yet. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, that's nothing yet, Chris. Oh man, we're going even higher.
Oh my gosh,
It's broken. It is broken.
So what's gonna happen here?
I don't know where we're going. What's gonna happen?
I've never rode it.
I haven't rode it either.
Look backwards,
Hey,
Angel.
look at all the hair bows.
I am not talking
There's
to
a
you.
lot.
If this looks backwards, Angel.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
What is going on?
Oh my god.
Oh, where are we going? Where are we going? Oh my god! Oh no, what's going on? I'm so scared! Oh, I see some light! I see some light! What's going on? Okay, it's cold in here. Oh, there's a Yeti. Do you see it? Oh my gosh, that scared me.
I'm so scared. Oh my god.
Okay, he's ripping up the track, it looks like. I don't know, we're gonna find out together. Oh no! Oh my god! Oh! Oh, it's so fast! It's going too fast! Oh my god! Oh no! What's going on? Oh, I think it's over. Oh, I think it's over.
Oh my god.
Oh, well, that was fun. So that ride was intense.
Yes, I got
It was really
whiplash
fun and
so
fast.
many times.
Kristen was like, breaking her neck left and
And my
right.
heart was pounding. I was so scared.
So we have never been on that ride actually. I've been to Animal Kingdom when I was a kid and I might have gotten on it, but I don't remember it at all.
Yeah.
Like when it went backwards, I was like, what is going on here?
too. I was
Why
like,
is it going backwards?
Why is this happening? I got so scared.
And the track was all ripped up because that stupid Yeti ripping up that track. What is he doing?
I know.
What are you doing that for?
He doesn't like humans.
So whenever I was recording, I noticed that when it went to the dark scenes and then we'd go into like the bright, it'd be like really bright on screen. So I probably won't include the whole like trip down through the roller coaster.
Yeah.
But I only include the really good parts for sure. I'm gonna put that in there so you guys can enjoy our screaming like little girls.
Yes.
Especially me. I was like, ah!
Me too.
The whole
I was
time.
super screaming.
So that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. We're not gonna do any more rides while we're
No.
here. So we want to leave before it gets really, really hot. I mean, it's starting to get warm now.
Yeah, it
like I got a little
is.
bit of sweat. Most of this is sunscreen, not really sweat. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up, guys. So before we go, I want to talk about the rides that we rode today.
Yes, my favorite ride of the
Which one was your
day
favorite?
Was the Avatar.
Flight of Passage.
Yes, that
was
one.
my favorite one.
But
That one
the
was
other
really
Avatar
awesome.
one, the Journey
That one was nice,
That
too.
was so pretty.
Like that one was very like
Scenic.
visually pleasing. Yeah, very scenic. Yeah.
Yes.
The ride though, the Flight of Passage, that one was awesome.
It was. It was
Like
so
I've never been on a
fun.
ride like that.
Yeah, that was
it's like a
really
single
cool.
type thing, and you had the goggles
And
on.
then you can't forget the boba. That was so yummy.
That was probably Crystal's favorite part of the whole day. The boba was okay. It actually was pretty tasty. Normally with those kind of drinks, like what do you call them, like slushies,
Yeah.
they're like overly sweet.
Mhm.
And
But this one was just
yeah, it was
right.
it was just right for me. Crystal likes all of them. Don't listen to her. and they were popping pearls.
Yes, popping pearls.
I was surprised about that.
That is my favorite kind of boba.
Yeah, those are
when
like-
I found
those
out
are pretty
were
good.
Popping pearls.
People
I
who,
was
if
so
you like
excited.
the boba balls, some of them pop,
The
some don't.
tapioca.
Tapioca,
there's
that's it, yeah.
Popping pearls.
If you like those, these are the popping kind, not the kind that you chew on. So
Yeah.
that's something to keep in mind. But yeah, that's it. Our favorite ride was Flight of Passage,
Yes.
for sure. The line was really long, so if you ever come, expect it to be a long line.
Definitely.
And get those fast passes. We didn't, but whatever. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.